alert. We told you at the top of our last hour how the head of the Department of Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, is threatening to refuse to work with the state of Arizona when it comes to deporting illegals picked up under Arizona's new immigration law. Well, one U.S. Senator was watching. He is not happy with this. His name is Senator Jeff Sessions, and he joins me live now. Senator, thank you very much for being here. Just so our viewers know, those who weren't here at the top of the one, this is what went down. John Morton, who heads up ICE, gave an interview with the Chicago Tribune and said he doesn't believe this is good government, that ICE will not necessarily process illegals sent to it by Arizona, and that he believes a comprehensive federal approach is best. We here on America Live reached out to ICE, to the Department of Homeland Security, which oversees ICE, and asked whether this was true, whether the Chicago Tribune got it right, whether Morton was accurately quoted. They confirmed all of the quotes that were attributed to Mr. Morton, and then went on to say the following, Senator Sessions, and I want to put the statement up on the board so people can read it. They say, the President ordered DOJ to examine the civil rights and other implications of this law. That review will inform the government's actions going forward. They have not specifically, they have not tried to shoot down Mr. Morton's assertions that ICE will not necessarily process illegals coming to it from Arizona now. Your reaction, sir, is what?
Well, it looks like the administration is just nullifying existing law. It's one of the big issues, Megan, in all the immigration matter, and that is the government in Washington has systematically failed to enforce the law, and not only that, they've rejected and resisted having any assistance from state and local law enforcement. The only thing you can conclude is they do not want the legal system to actually work. And I think it's frustrating, and it's the American people should not be happy about it. This is the chief law enforcement officer. He should welcome the help he gets. He should not be publicly saying he does not intend to cooperate in the law enforcement.
Do you feel that Mr. Morton needs to step down, sir?
Megan, I feel like that if he can enforce the law, he shouldn't have the job. That is the top immigration enforcement position in America. He is required, in my view, to seek the help he can to enforce the law, and to reject the help of the law officers in Arizona and all over America, for that matter, makes him, in my view, not fulfilling the responsibilities of his office.
Is it up to him? I mean, because agencies like ICE do have prosecutorial discretion, in particular when it comes to immigrants who are picked up who are not felons. So they have prosecutorial discretion. So does he have an argument, Senator Sessions, that it is up to him, and if he doesn't like what Arizona's doing and it refers illegals to him, it's up to him to say, I'm not pursuing that deportation case?
He should do the right thing in terms of enforcing the law. But to have a blanket statement that suggests that they are not going to cooperate with Arizona, really it appears driven, Megan, by the President's own view about this. Really, he seems to be in harmony with the President's view about this and President Calderon's view about this.
Well, that's the question I have for you, Senator Sessions. That's my question for you, which is, this is not some low-level ICE official. This guy runs ICE. He's the head of ICE. He's the director. You can see there John Morton. So my question to you, sir, is do you believe that they are telegraphing something from ICE to the American people about where the administration is going when it comes to this Arizona law?
Absolutely. I think you hit the nail on the head. Not only to the American people, they're telegraphing to every ICE agent in America that they really don't intend to cooperate with Arizona. And it's very much like Secretary Napolitano in the Washington case, Washington State, where she conducted an investigation of defined ICE agents who were raiding a business using illegals and promised not to do this again. And so it sent a message throughout the entire legal law enforcement community that she did not want them conducting those kind of raids, both of which policies reduce the effectiveness of our immigration laws, laws they are sworn to uphold.
Senator, what is Arizona supposed to do? I mean, they have complained repeatedly that they don't get the federal help they need in securing their border. Their citizens are literally being murdered by illegals crossing into the state. So they passed this law, which, you can make the case. I looked at it as a lawyer and found that actually the police are required to do more to protect rights under the Arizona law than they are under the federal law. So they passed this law, and now they've got the feds telling them, Well, we may not help you at all. We may actually pretend, in essence, this law doesn't exist before it appears before a judge or a court has ever weighed in on it.
I think you're exactly correct. I'm not sure what Arizona can do at this point. One thing they need to continue to insist on is that the Secretary of Homeland Security, who used to know her way to Arizona, go down there, find out how it is that we're having 240,000 people arrested last year illegally crossing the border, and figure out how to end this illegality. It's threatening the lives and safety and property of people in Arizona. It's disrupting the communities, and it needs to be stopped. The federal government should step up and do it. It's their responsibility.
Well, we don't know what ICE is, we really don't know what their position is now, Senator. They say, look, the president's ordered DOJ to examine the civil rights and other implications of the law. That review will inform the government's actions going forward, and yet they don't shoot down what their Guy Morton told the Chicago Trib, which is that ICE will not necessarily process the illegals. So we'll wait. And Mr. Morton, it's 2:06 now. You've got 54 minutes to call in, come on the show in any other fashion and explain what you meant. Senator Sessions, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.